Hey everyone, this is Aviva Luttrell with MassLive. I'm in Worcester's Canal District this morning to give you guys a sneak peek at the Haberdash, which is opening up in Crompton Place on Saturday. So I'm here with owner Amy Lynn Chase. She also owns the Crompton Collective in the White Room downstairs, and she also owns a Haberdash location in Hudson. So this store in Worcester is going to be the second location. So I'm going to flip the camera around here and introduce you guys. Hey Amy, how's it going?
Hi, I'm good. Thanks for coming.
Sure, thanks so much for having us. So you're opening up Saturday here.
Yes, Saturday, 11 a.m. We're gonna cut a ribbon.
Awesome. So tell me about the store. What can people expect to find?
So clothing, lots of clothing. This store is gonna be a little bit different from our other location, which is gifts and clothing. This store is mostly just clothing and bags and accessories and jewelry. We have a small section of gifts and beauty products, organic beauty, but most of it is, just clothes and fun accessories.
Awesome. So for anyone just tuning in, we're at the Haberdash, just opening up Saturday in the Crompton building on Green Street, right next to Bedlam Book Cafe, which opened up a few months ago. So a couple new spots in here. We're here with Amy. Oh, Bucks just commented, said, looks awesome, Amy, Bucks Burger Bar. Cool.
Thanks, Bucks.
So, want to take a quick walk around and maybe you can point out some of your favorite pieces and show people what they can find in here.
Yeah, sure. I can just start and give you a tour.
Yeah, it sounds great.
We have organic beauty products over here right when you walk in the door. This will be our window display, but it's still blocked right now. Tomorrow it will be open, and then we have some greeting cards, and then we have a little bit of jewelry and candles over here, free people bralettes, which are really popular right now.
Some cards.
We have a seating area for the boyfriends or husbands.
Very important.
Or me when I get tired. And then over here is mostly clothes. Everything, there's a little bit more jewelry over here. So we do have jewelry in our Hudson location, and only one of our lines will be in both stores, but everything in both stores should be different from then on out. So clothing, bags, color coordinated because I'm super OCD. We have some wall hangings. The only handmade local artist that we have in this store, because we have so much handmade downstairs, is Amanda Jones Design, and she makes these awesome wall hangings. She's from Worcester. This is our cool Instagram counter, which I just got and I'm in love with. Every time we get a follower, it goes up in real time. It's really fun.
Oh, that's so neat. That's so cool. I've never seen anything like that. That's awesome.
So more clothes, leather bags. Those are amazing. And then we're also carrying some high-end sunglasses. We have sunglasses and accessories in our other store, but these ones are a little bit more high-end. These are designer. And then we have more jewelry over here. This room right here is our print room. Which sounds funny, but it's all print. So we have florals, we have animal print, more florals, stripes, more animal print. And then this whole wall, prints. And these are our dressing rooms over here.
Go. Hey guys.
And then this side of the store over here, this is going to be our cash register. Excuse my coffee. This is what you check out. And then we have more belts over here. And more clothing coordinated by color. So we have blacks and grays, and purples and browns. And then we have denim. So we have Free People denim right now. And we're looking at other lines too, but we're just not totally in love with them yet. So lots of Free People.
Oh, that is really cute.
And everybody loves this when they come in. My friends.
Oh,
love
that's
it.
awesome.
I love it. So cute.
That's awesome.
Green. And then over here, we got more leather bags. This is from a maker in Brooklyn, and she's super talented. The leather is just like butter. I love it. So cute. Oh, yeah, I think that's it.
Awesome.
Oh, did I show you the middle table?
Oh yeah, let's take a quick look at that. I don't think we got to that one.
So we have handmade earrings. We have a bunch of different brands. And then we have Free People over here. More handmade jewelry here. And then Belljoy is a brand that we do carry in Hudson. They're made in Haiti and so beautiful. Let's see, what else? Cute scarves, Free People, a couple more beauty product lines. Everyday Oil is amazing. And then shoes, which we have never done before, so we're excited to do shoes now, to actually have the room to do it. And over here, another beauty line, candles, more clothes, and shoes, which we're so excited about.
Awesome. Oh, those are so cute. Awesome. So, can walk over here just to get away from the music a little bit. So, Amy, why did you decide to open up the second location, and why in the Crompton building in particular?
I'm always looking for business opportunities. I wouldn't say I was looking for this one. I was really happy in Hudson, and Crompton's so busy downstairs, so I had my hands full. But my landlord called and he said, you know, the salon is closing, and do you know anybody that wants to open a salon? And you know, I really trust your recommendations. And I walked upstairs. I was downstairs, and I walked upstairs, and I was like, oh my God, that space is so beautiful. I just I can't let it go. So I called back Dino, and I was like, give me a few days, but I'm pretty sure that I need that space. So he did, and I hope he's happy with what we did.
Awesome. So what time are you guys opening up on Saturday, and what will your hours be?
We're opening at 11 a.m. on Saturday, and our hours will be 11 to 5, Wednesday through Sunday, for now, until we get a grip on, you know, when people shop. So.
Great. And it must be nice, obviously, now having 3 of your businesses here in the same building. What are you hoping to bring to the Canal District, which is obviously becoming such a happening place right now?
Yeah, so I just thought that we were missing clothing in the Canal District. We didn't really have any place to get clothes except for downstairs. We have a couple vintage vendors, but you know, I don't want to have to drive to Boston or to Natick to get a cute outfit. It's just not, you know, we don't need to do that anymore. So I thought this was the perfect space to highlight clothing, and I'm pretty excited about it.
Awesome. Great, Amy, thank you so much for the sneak peek.
Yeah,
looks great in here. Give everyone one last look around. For anyone just tuning in, the Haberdash is opening up in Crompton Place on Saturday. They'll be selling jewelry, some home items, and a ton of clothing. As you can see, they're located right next to Bedlam Book Cafe. If you come in the Green Street side, you'll find them right at the end of the hallway there. All right, again, this has been Aviva Luttrell with MassLive. Thanks so much for watching. If you're interested in seeing more photos from the Haberdash, head on over to masslive.com later today. I'll have a full photo gallery up, and you can stop by on Saturday for their opening day. Thanks again for watching.